Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about frugal living tips with a credit card. When it comes to frugal living, it seems obvious to some that there is no place for credit cards at all. Indeed, the idea of credit cards as part of the frugal lifestyle seems impossible. Many of us believe that credit cards are the complete opposite of everything frugal. They promote consumerism, materialism, and debt. However, this view might not be totally fair to credit cards. Indeed, like many money tools, credit cards can be scary, or they can be helpful. It's all about how you use credit cards. Used responsibly as part of a plan, you can incorporate credit cards into your frugal lifestyle. Use the following methods to be frugal while using a credit card. 1. Get cash back, free stuff, and promotional savings. One of the ways that credit cards can help your frugal lifestyle is through the rewards you can earn. When you make use of rewards credit cards, you are providing yourself with opportunities to maximize your money. Rewards programs offer you some of the following perks. Cash back. You can get cash back when you make purchases on certain cards. This cash back can range from 1% on most purchases to 3% or 5% cash back on particular purchases. Free money is always a good thing. Free stuff. Some rewards programs will let you redeem your points for merchandise or for discounted travel. You can get airline tickets, hotel stays, and other perks when you accumulate enough rewards. Promotional savings. Many credit cards now offer special savings when you shop through their networks. You might also get bonus points that can be used for cash back or other merchandise. If you are careful with your credit card, you can use rewards to save money and live a little more frugally. It is also worth noting that purchase protection and extended warranty protection can also be perks of your credit card and help you save in the long run. 2. Creating a credit card spending plan. Of course, it is in keeping with the tenets of frugal living if you end up spending without a budget or a plan. Instead of just using your credit card blindly, you need to come up with a plan. We spend money according to what is in our budget. At the end of the billing cycle, when we get our credit cards, we can pay off what was spent with money that has been sitting in our checking account. At some point, I'd like to get really ambitious and keep most of the money in the savings account until the end of the month, having it earn interest, and only transferring the money to the checking account when it's time to pay the credit card bills. No matter how much we try to avoid materialism, at some point, you will probably end up buying something. Purchases are necessary since few of us can grow or make everything we need. You probably even buy things that you want. Even if you do, try to limit the amount of stuff cluttering up your house. Being a smarter consumer can help you save money and reduce unnecessary purchases. 3. Start with what you value. Before you buy anything, know your values. Figure out what is important to you. Too often, we make poor spending decisions because we aren't clear on values and priorities. It's easy to make impulse purchases when you don't have a framework for deciding whether or not something is worth buying. Sit down and work out your long-term goals and identify your values. Then, create priorities for your finances and your spending. You will be a smarter consumer when you change your spending habits to match with what really matters to you. Before you buy something, ask yourself if it meets a need or helps you reach your lifestyle and financial goals. If a purchase doesn't move you forward, don't make it. 4. Comparison shop. Looking for the best deal isn't just about saving money. The cheapest item isn't always the best choice for you or the item that will save you the most money in the long run. Pay attention to quality as you compare shops. When you decide you need to make a purchase, take the time to compare your options and figure out what will offer the best quality in the long run. The fewer times you can buy something, like tools or shoes, the better off you will be in the long run. Comparison shopping is a good way to get an idea of what is likely to offer you the best bang for your buck. You want to be a smarter consumer who gets the most value for your money, rather than someone who just gets things because they are cheap. 5. Look for deals. Don't forget about the deals. After you have shopped around and you know your purchase is in line with your values, it's time to look for deals. You can use coupon and rebate sites to find promo codes and savings. From free shipping to 50% off or more, you can get even more out of your purchases. You can also use rebates and loyalty programs to stack deals and reduce your overall costs. Before you buy something, check to see if there is a coupon, discount, or rebate associated with it. Checking doesn't take very much time at all, and you can stretch your dollars even further when you take the time to see if you can get a discount. As you look for ways to be a smarter consumer, you will save money and enjoy higher quality items and a higher quality of life. In my mind, credit cards can be a good part of a frugal lifestyle as long as I'm not carrying a balance. If I'm not wasting money on interest payments, there really isn't a problem, and I can reap the benefits that come with good credit card rewards programs. What do you think about our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel for more frugalism videos. Thank you for watching.